Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to use ChatGPT to supercharge your academic writing. Whether you're struggling with writer's block, need help with research, or just want to refine your work, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool. Let's get started. First, ask ChatGPT for topic suggestions based on your subject area. For example, you can say right here in the prompt input, so I could ask like, ChatGPT, can you suggest some interesting research topics for a paper on environmental science? Right here. Now let's see how ChatGPT would respond and help us out. Here you go. As you can see right here, here are the following that ChatGPT had suggested right here. There's the impact of air pollution on public health, the role of citizen science in environmental conservation. Yeah, here we go. So now that you have your topic, let's say we can ask ChatGPT to help you create an outline. For instance, try a prompt here. Let's say, ChatGPT, create a detailed outline for an academic paper on, let's say, this topic right here, the impact of climate change on marine ecosystems. Just right here, the one I put together, the prompt right here. So let's hit send once more and see how ChatGPT would provide further detailed information for us. So as you'll see right here, this outline provides a clear structure for your paper, making it easier to organize your thoughts and research. With this outline, you now have a roadmap to follow, ensuring that you cover all the essential points in your paper. It's currently processing right now with all the further details, then we're reaching the conclusion, references, here we go. ChatGPT can also help you find relevant research material. While it may access to real-time data, it can also suggest key terms and concepts to search for. First, ask for keywords and concepts related to your topic. Let's say I pick this topic right here, rising sea temperature. Then I put together my prompt right here. I'm going to be putting in this input. So I'd say, ChatGPT, what are some key terms I should research for a paper on rising sea temperatures? Here we go. Now, let's see how ChatGPT would respond. So as you'll see right here, these keywords can help you find more specific and relevant research articles for your paper. Then the following that you'll be doing for this step is requesting summaries of complex topics. For instance, we could use the same topic, like, let's say, the same topic as rising sea temperatures. Then we'll put together the prompt until, here's what I pasted right here. Let's say, ChatGPT, can you summarize the main findings of recent studies on rising sea temperatures? Here we go. Then we hit send once more. It's currently, and here we go. Let's check on what ChatGPT is currently generating. Interesting. So this summary gives you a concise overview of the topic, making it easier to understand complex information quickly. Using these keywords and summaries, you can streamline your research process and find the most relevant academic sources. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. When it comes to writing, ChatGPT can assist with drafting paragraphs, improving clarity, and ensuring your argument flows logically. Ask for help in drafting specific sections. So let's go back up here to the outline that ChatGPT had generated for us. So let's say we pick this topic right here, impact on marine biodiversity. Yeah. Now let's ask for help. For instance, here's our prompt right here. Let's say, ChatGPT, can you help me write an introduction for my paper on impact on climate change on marine ecosystems? There we go. Now, let's see how ChatGPT would respond with this. So as you'll see right here, it's currently processing. This introduction provides a solid start, giving a clear overview of the topic and setting the stage for your paper that you're currently planning to put together. Now, you can also request improvements for clarity and coherence. For instance, you might ask, ChatGPT, how can I improve the clarity of this paragraph about same topic, impact of climate change on marine ecosystems? Now, let's see how ChatGPT would respond with this prompt. As you'll see right here, this improvement makes the paragraph more concise and easier to understand, enhancing the overall readability of your paper. This introduction right here and right here, the ChatGPT had generated right here, provides a solid start, giving a clear overview of the topic and setting the stage for your paper. After writing, the editing and proofreading stage is crucial. ChatGPT right here can help identify grammar issues, suggest better word choices, and enhance overall readability. First, request a grammar and style check. For example, we can pick any paragraph right here. Let's go for the intro for this topic right here. Let's say this one. Then we can either copy and paste it and use it as part of the prompt, or you can just highlight it, then click reply so that ChatGPT would be more specified with the prompt that you're asking for. So here's my prompt right here. You can ask, like, ChatGPT, can you proofread this paragraph for grammar and style issues? Now, let's hit send once more and see how ChatGPT would respond. So, as you'll see right here, ChatGPT suggestions can make your writing clearer and more concise, improving the overall quality of your work right here, part of your work that is. Next, ask for suggestions to improve readability. For instance, you might say, this prompt right here, ChatGPT, how can I make this sentence more concise? So which sentence should I use? Let's go over here with the proofread version of the paragraph that I'd be using earlier. So let's do the first sentence right here. Then click reply after you highlight it, or you can just copy the selected sentence and paste it here as part of the prompt. And here we go. So let's send it over. As you'll see, this improvement makes the sentence more direct and easier to understand, enhancing the overall readability of your paper. Proper formatting and citations are essential in academic writing. ChatGPT, right here, can guide you on citation styles and help format your references correctly. First, ask for citation format guidelines. For example, you might say, ChatGPT, how do I cite a website article in APA style? For instance, that is. For instance. Or you can just switch it over to MLA instead. Let's just say we can cite a website article in MLA style. So we need ChatGPT's guidelines. So let's see. So as it currently processes right here, these guidelines give you a clear format to follow, ensuring your citations are accurate. Next, you can request assistance with formatting your reference list. And speaking of which, that's what you'll need first. So here's what I asked ChatGPT with this prompt that I put together. ChatGPT, can you provide a reference list of all the sources that has all the information you gathered for the academic paper you're currently helping me with here? So let's see how ChatGPT would respond with this. So as you can see right here, these are all the references that ChatGPT had been using to help me out with my academic paper. See, let's get to formatting all the references here. So here's my prompt once more, another one. ChatGPT, can you help me format my bibliography in MLA style? Or here we go, we can just highlight it right here and reply, or you can just copy and paste it right here as a part of the prompt once more. So let's hit enter. As you can see, this formatting helps ensure your bibliography meets the required academic standards. Using these tips, you can ensure that your paper meets all the academic standards for formatting and citations. And there you have it. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you can enhance every stage of your academic writing process. From brainstorming and research to drafting and editing, ChatGPT right here is here to help you succeed.